We are Charities Aid Foundation India, and our mission is to create a society motivated to give ever more effectively and transform lives and communities. Our employee giving program, Give As You Earn, is a simple and effective way of giving back to the society. It allows employees to donate to a cause close to their heart. Don't you want to open a payslip where your contribution makes you feel good? Because you know, that child cannot wait. Nor can the elderly you have been planning to support for years.
Give As You Earn gives a platform employees to choose various charities.
As easy as just going and logging into a particular system and just selecting the charity.
Flexibility of choosing your way of contributing towards the social causes, whether you can contribute through money or your time.
This program is benefiting us in a lot of ways. One is to be able to reach out to corporates.
CAF, they validate. So that is the very big factor, that we should only work with NGOs which are validated.
It's trustworthy. That is key to when we are actually putting our employees' money.
For us to be able to know that there is some funds that is coming on a regular basis from a particular source.
It helps us plan our expenses, and this way we know how far we can go with our expenses, with our expansions.
Volunteering opportunities wherein you can actually go there on the field, speak to those charity partners, speak to those kids.
We get reports in terms of what's the progress, where the money is being utilized.
Paying also, they get the tax exemption as well. It helps the society in general in a long-term sense of engendering the habit of giving.
When I met with those kids, they did not even have the sweaters, but the way they were receiving us, it was phenomenal. They were like, they want to give us their heart. This was the kind of respect that we got out of this program.
You can feel proud about it because of the simple reason you're bringing a significant change to somebody's life.
बीमार हो गए थे मेरे पापा, तो उसकी वजह से ना मैं रैग बेगिंग करती थी मैं.
Family which is low in terms of finance.
मुझे कभी पढ़ने के लिए मेरी बहन ने, भाई ने, पापा ने, किसी ने सपोर्ट नहीं किया.
उनको नीड है जॉब के लिए.
इतने के भैया दीदी मिले, फिर मैं वहाँ पर पढ़ती थी. फिर ओबी से मुझे जोड़ा तीसरी क्लास में.
भैया दीदी गए और मेरी मम्मी पापा से बात किया, तो मेरे पापा तो मना कर दिए, पर मेरी मम्मी ने हाँ कर दिया.
स्कूल में ही प्रोग्राम के जो कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हैं, दे केम एंड दे टोल्ड अस अबाउट दिस प्रोग्राम.
इताशा में 4 मंथ्स में मतलब बहुत कुछ सीख लिया. हाइड्रेशन काफ़ी ज़रूरी थी.
पढ़ लिख के एक अच्छा सा जॉब करूँगी, जिसकी वजह से मैं इतने सारे पैसे कमा सकूँ और बड़ा सा बिल्डिंग खरीद सकूँ, अपनी मम्मी को रख सकूँ.
Now I can direct my own life. I know what I want and how I have to achieve that.
अब बाहर लिख रही हूँ, प्रोफेशनल लाइन में आई हूँ, जॉब कर रही हूँ. काफ़ी कुछ बदलाव.
आज मैं 10,000 बच्चों की लीडर हूँ.
Just saying thank you would be too small a word. I just would say that keep doing this, keep inspiring girls like me.
आज जो कुछ भी है उनके सपोर्ट की वजह से, तो मेरे तरफ से बहुत सारा थैंक यू है.
मैं उन लोगों को थैंक्स करना चाहूँगी जिन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट किया, और उनकी वजह से आज मैं अपनी मम्मा को सपोर्ट कर पा रही हूँ.
Come, join us in our journey that aims to touch more than 25 million lives by 2020. Let's get on with giving.